Hi there, welcome to Docyt University, an online training platform for businesses using Docyt AI and accountants and finance professionals looking to stay ahead of the curve in their fields. My name is Rebecca Oosterbaan, Director of Education at Docyt, and I'm excited to introduce you to Docyt University. With over 400 learning materials, including self-paced video tutorials, live webinars, and step-by-step guides, Docyt University caters to any learning style. Docyt University is interactive and easily accessible online or through our mobile app, so you can log in anytime, anywhere. Let's dive into some of the benefits. Existing Docyt users will unlock a whole new level of efficiency and productivity. Our program will help you make the most of your investment. Aspiring accountants entering the accounting field will gain new knowledge and skills necessary to stay ahead in a tech-driven industry, making them well-equipped for future challenges. Finance and accounting professionals looking to further their skills or stay current with the latest advancements in their field will get best practices and tips from industry experts. After completing the courses, you'll become Docyt certified and receive an official badge and certificate to promote on your LinkedIn. Docyt University is intentionally designed to cater to professionals working in every major industry, from finance and accounting to hospitality, restaurants, retail, e-commerce, and more. Our program addresses unique industry-specific problems, so you're always steps ahead of the competition. Ready to expand your knowledge and grow your career? Sign up for Docyt University today.